let's make this instant jelly, which is so much of fun and it's so delicious. So to a bowl, I'm going to add the instant jelly mix powder. Now you get 2 powders in a packet. One depends on the flavor, so I'm going for the strawberry flavor. And the other is just a white powder. So you mix the two of them together really well. Now you can use any brand of jelly mix powder. Mix the powder very well. It's very important that all of the white gets nicely mixed with whatever flavor you're using. In this case, it's strawberry. So mix it well till there are no big lumps in it. Now to a pan, I'm going to be adding about 200 ml of water. So turn the heat on to a medium to high, and let the water come to a gentle boil. Once it does start to boil a little, just add this jelly mix powder, and using a whisk, just mix it in really well, stirring continuously. So you don't want any lumps in this liquid. You want a very smooth kind of liquid. So keep stirring it. And then using a spatula, just keep stirring for another 5 minutes till it starts to thicken up. After 5 minutes, stir the heat off, and you're going to pour this mixture into a jelly mold. Now, if you don't have a jelly mold, you can even pour it into small glasses, or even a silicone mold. The cupcake molds, you can even use that. You can get creative with it. And let the mixture first come to room temperature before you refrigerate it. Now I also have a recipe where I've made little cups of jelly with custard. I'll leave a link to that below. You can click on it and you can make that too. That's a lovely combination, jelly and custard together. And now we're going to refrigerate this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And immediately you'll see that it solidifies like this. Just demold it by running a knife through the mold and just overturn it on a plate. And your jelly is all ready. Wasn't that quick? I mean, in this summer, to have this with some lovely custard or ice cream is a real treat. So do try out this recipe, guys. It's super simple and it's really satisfying too. So I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.